going?
Mm-hmm.
So start at the top and then scroll all the way down.
Open it.
Okay. So it's -5 and 34. And the flash means that the water filter that's on the bottom is ready to be changed. Are you getting everything?
Yep.
Cool. Here's the freezer. This came out of a basement remodel of one of my clients, and they actually never unhooked the water softener, the water for the ice maker. There is an ice maker here. I looked up the piece online, just the bucket. It's like 23 bucks, but any plastic bucket will work. But they had an ice maker in the bar. That is nice and cold. And then, honey, if you want to get the side, they didn't even take off. Here's the KitchenAid thing. You want to get the back, babe? Here's the back. This doesn't look like it was ever used. I don't know what other parts. Good.